What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are here, part 2, rebuilding this tractor. I have decided we are not going to go complete restoration project. That's a lot of work, and I just, it's a 48. This thing's 70 years old. I think it deserves a little patina. So I'm going to sand it down, and I am going to get all the rough, it's been painted once already. I got to get all that off of there. And we are going to repaint it, but I'm going to leave it bumpy and wavy. I'm not going to do any body work, any of that stuff. There's a couple little dents in it. I ain't going to get those out of it. It's 70 years old. It deserves dents. So we're going to go with that. We're going to keep working on this. We still have no spark. I didn't order any parts yet. I did call in some resources, so hopefully we're going to have somebody come help figure out why we don't have spark, because I don't want to just throw parts at it. I want to try to figure out why and then get parts. So watch this and let's keep going. Alright guys, so I've been sanding away. This is not going to be a perfect thing. I've never done this before, so I'm kind of learning as I go. I got most of the hood done. There are some runs in the paint. I'm going to try to get all that off, get a little extra off, and then we're going to run to the store and grab some primer and maybe even some red paint if we can find the right red paint, and maybe paint that up today. So let's go. What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is another day working on this tractor. We did work out last night, not on camera, and we got it to have spark. We did clean out the distributor, so we got that going. But we have more important, we have to go put the cars away. Oh, that's good. My cover blew off last night. Well, it's alright. We don't need it to drive it anyways.
I think it's in my van.
Alright, boys, we got to do the last cold start we can of the year.
And it's cold because there's snow. I just saw it falling in. See you again next year. Come do mine. It's kind of a sad day. Hello. Hello.
Got the old Camaro, the old Mustango. Justin the Mustango's leading because we don't know where we're going. And we can't really rip her too hard because the snow's a little stiff this morning, or the rain's a little stiff this morning. It's not a very beautiful day for a ride, but we're gonna send it. I also forgot to mention that I'm running on almost bald tires from the track that day. I'm down past the wear bars. Driving a standard with a camera in a hand is pretty tough. But I'm driving with bald tires. Last week, I don't know if I showed it, but I got 2 holes in a back tire on this, so I patched them up, and I don't normally like patching things like this, but sometimes in life, when you're waiting to order tires over the winter, you just patch it. And I just sent it. I don't like doing that, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And we're just gonna send it, because all I'm going is a storage. So we got 2 patches, so hopefully we don't get a flat, because it's freezing cold and raining. Boys, as you can see, it's very windy and you can barely see anything on the road, but we're letting her eat tonight, boys. Gotta have fun for the last ride. We may or may not have screwed up, because we just went past the cop going way faster than we need to be. But I don't see him coming yet. I guess we'll find out in a minute. Alright, boys, so we're pulled over on the side of the highway because the getaway car mom, we kind of blew her doors in, so we're waiting for her. Alright, guys, so we just got back from putting the cars away, and as you can see, the power is out. I'm using my phone as a light so you can see me, otherwise it's really dark. So we are going to have to end this video here because I can't work without lights, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Subscribe.